Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing Ubuntu 20.10, letting you guys know if it's worth the upgrade if you're on Ubuntu 20.04. Yeah, we'll be going over some of the major changes, so let's just jump right into it. So I don't know if this is new or not, but when there are updates, or I think it's when there are updates, the software updater does like a little twitching animation, which is really odd. I've never noticed that before. It might have done that before and I just never noticed, but that's just a thing that I noticed. Now, the biggest change in 20.10 is the new activities view. You can actually move stuff around. Now, one thing with the GNOME desktop, moving things around is not the most responsive thing, like, ever. It's messed up multiple times on occasion, and hasn't moved applications to where I've wanted it to move them to. But it is still a nice feature to have that wasn't there before, so you can now manually organize everything here instead of having it organized alphabetically all the time. Other than that, the other big change, as you can see, is the new wallpaper here. It's a great wallpaper. I love it. It's a really hilarious wallpaper. I think it is pretty funny. Also, the nickname for the update, Groovy Gorilla, it fits with that. Has a little Ubuntu icon on the side of the glasses there. So that is pretty cool as well. So other than that, I haven't noticed many other changes. One change that I've noticed is when I restart the computer or power it up, the seamless boot screen, or whatever it's called, will now show the manufacturer of my motherboard, which is ASRock, so it does now show that. I was wondering if it was some sort of glitch or something that 20.04 never did, but now it does, so that is pretty cool as well. And I've also heard many times that Linux has problems with multi-monitor setups. I have not noticed any problems that Windows does not have on this setup at all. I have 3 monitors. They all work perfectly. The only thing that is annoying is my login screen specifically shows up on my non-primary monitor, which it is the case on Windows as well. These are my current system specifications. I have about 22 gigabytes of memory, an AMD FX 6300, Radeon RX 570, and about like 3.3 terabytes of storage. And I'm running the X11 windowing system, so I'm not running Wayland. I will probably try out Wayland at some point. I tried it out with 20.04, and it worked perfectly fine with 20.04. There was a tiny bit of lagging, I think, in Firefox. One thing I have noticed, there has been some lag in 20.10 and Pop! OS as well. I've had this issue with when I've had Discord open. I've had lagging in Firefox. I have no clue what the cause of that is, if it's Discord or if it's Firefox, but that is an issue. It is actually worse on Pop! OS than on Ubuntu 20.10. I've had on Pop! OS, I actually had the I've had Discord completely mess up when I was in voice chat and start slowing down and stuff. So that does not happen in 20.10, so that is pretty good. And also, as a side note, Among Us, that game that sort of popped up recently for being a good game that everybody likes. Where is it at? Where is it? There it is. It does work on Linux through Steam Proton perfectly. It works perfectly. The first time I launched it, I had some problems with setting up servers and stuff, but those may just be due to the server having a lot of problems at the time, because that was when it was sort of first blowing up within the first week or so there. So I do have Among Us working perfectly on Linux for those of you who want to know about that. And also, for the last thing here, it will not be related to Ubuntu necessarily at all, but I am back to making YouTube videos again. I just got a job, so I've been just trying to get things figured out, schedules figured out, all that sort of stuff. And now I should be back to making videos on a semi-regular basis. So I hope you all liked the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.